Hi there. Let's talk about something that could change your career. What is a Red Seal certificate? If you're working in the trades in Canada, this national certification might be your next big step. So, what is a Red Seal certificate? It's an official endorsement that proves you've mastered your trade to a national standard. Whether you're a plumber, welder, hairstylist, or HVAC tech, Red Seal means you're recognized across all provinces and territories. That's right. You can take your skills anywhere in Canada without needing to recertify. This makes it ideal if you're planning to move or looking for better job opportunities across the country. And here's the thing, Red Seal certified workers often earn more. With this certification, you're more likely to land supervisory roles, leadership opportunities, and premium assignments. Employers and unions look for that Red Seal when deciding who gets hired or promoted. Now let's talk exams. The Red Seal exam usually has 100 to 150 multiple choice questions. You'll have about 4 hours to complete it. And it's not just about memorizing definitions. Expect real-world scenarios, diagrams, and technical challenges, just like the job site. The questions are built around something called RSOS, Red Seal Occupational Standards. These define what a fully competent tradesperson should know and do in Canada. If you're prepping, the RSOS is a great place to start. But remember, passing the Red Seal is also about confidence and mindset. Many tradespeople haven't written an exam in years, and that's totally normal. Break your study into chunks, review a little each day, and try visual tools like diagrams or peer study groups. Speaking of study tools, this is where we can help. At redsealstudyguide.ca, we offer digital Q&A books, explanation-style resources, and online time tests. Everything's downloadable instantly, no waiting for shipping. You can review material right on your phone or tablet, even on your coffee break. And the best part? These resources are built from real Canadian trade knowledge, not just generic textbooks. Now, let's talk career growth. Red Seal certification can lead to roles like foreperson, safety officer, trainer, or even business owner. It's also great for mature learners, women in trades, and newcomers to Canada who want to level up. The exam is available in English and French, and if you're ESL, focus on key trade vocabulary during your prep. You don't need to study front to back either. Try breaking your materials into categories like safety, tools, math, and code. Use flashcards, take practice tests, teach someone else what you've learned. It really sticks that way. And if you're already experienced, don't worry. Red Seal isn't just for new grads. It's perfect for those upgrading, changing provinces, or looking to mentor others. Once you pass, the doors open wide. You can negotiate better wages, apply for interprovincial jobs, even start your own shop or become a Red Seal instructor. So if you're thinking about it, go for it. And if you need help getting there, check out the tools at redsealstudyguide.ca. You're not alone in this. Thousands of tradespeople across Canada are working toward their Red Seal every year. Let's make sure you're one of them. You've got this.